Hello and welcome to my channel Tech Lounge. Today we are going to learn a very important feature of Excel, that is consolidate. First of all, we should understand what is consolidate. Consolidate is to use your data which is in different location of your Excel file. For example, here we have three different files which is representing the sales done by salesperson in each quarter. So this sheet quarter 1 is showing the sale done by salesperson in quarter 1. The next sheet contains for the details of quarter 2 and the last sheet contains the details of quarter 3. And these are our salesperson with their sales. Consolidation means to combine, to club all these three sheets and put this result into a final sheet. So we have salesperson name here in my first column and quarter names in my first row. I need to get what Ellen has sold in quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3. All details I need to fetch from these three sheets to this particular summary sheet. So I have created this sheet to understand the feature of consolidation in Excel. So for doing this, we have to select the target sheet where we have to fetch the details from other sheets and consolidate them together. Earlier, we need to do it by putting it here, copying the details from this place and pasting it here. But this will become a very tedious task if we have to do it for large set of data. So for doing so, instead of doing copy and paste again and again for different set of details, we will do with the help of consolidate function. So let's do it. First I'll remove it, which I have copied, and now I will show without using copy and paste how we can get all these details into this single set of data. So for doing so, first of all select this target set of cells, go in data tab. There you will get the consolidate feature under the data tool group. Click on consolidate. You will get this small pop-up where you have very first option is a function. Function where we have all the possible functions available in Excel which can be used over here with the data set. So we have selected some so that if the same set of value is appearing at different locations, it will be added together. Now the next set is reference. Reference is the actual cells which are there in your cells from where you want to add the data. So my first reference would be my quarter 1. I will select all the details. These set of cells I will select and now I will click on add. The same I will repeat for the remaining set of data. It could be one set of data, two set of data, three set of data or maybe more. And I will select the required data. Click on add again. Now I have quarter 3 as well. I will select it and I will select all the data. Click on add. And if I have more set of data, I would repeat these process again. Now I have added all three references here. So what I will do is I need to club them. But before doing so, since I have the heading in my first row and in my first column, I will check these check boxes of top row and left column. That means my labels are there in top row and left column. So for that I have selected the check boxes of these two options. There is one more option called create links to source data. So if I select this checkbox, a link will be created among the source data and to this target set of cells. If I will do any changes in these three set of data, it would reflect here. So it is up to us if I have to do it one time only. So no need to select this checkbox. But if I have to make a link because my data is going to change again and again, then I can go on create links to source data and click OK. As I have clicked OK, all quarterly data is available here. I don't need to copy and paste. All 3 quarter data is now in the summary sheet. This is the functionality of consolidate feature. We will meet again in such informative videos, but for getting these videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be well informed for the upcoming videos. Thank you.